So I've got some exciting news for you. If you've been on the fence about purchasing a home, or maybe you're selling your home, I've got some incredible news. Stay tuned for this information. So this week, as of September 16th, 2024, the Fed meets and they will decide if there is going to be a rate cut in effect. Now, if you've not been following the Fed and what's been going on with interest rates, we were supposed to have 3 to 4 rate cuts this year. Now, because inflation and CPI has not come down to the point where the Fed is comfortable with lowering interest rates, they are meeting this week to decide, are we going to do a rate cut? Most lenders and financial advisors are speculating a quarter of a point, 0.25. So if that is a 7% interest rate, we should see a 6.75. Now, this is all speculation, but I wanted to bring this news to you because a lot of our clients, a lot of our buyers, and even our sellers are sitting on the fence waiting for rates to drop. So just for your knowledge, if the Fed does end up dropping rates, it directly affects short-term rates, which is your HELOC, your home equity line of credit, car loans, credit card loans, commercial loans, and personal loans. It indirectly affects mortgage rates. Why? Mortgage rates follow the Treasury bond. They're more affected by inflation. Mortgage rates eased nicely last week in anticipation for this week's Fed moves. And can it move more? Absolutely. So if you're interested, you've been watching the market, you want to know what interest rates are doing, reach out, send me a message, call us here at 770-744-2575, and we'll give you that up-to-date information. As of today, Mortgage News Daily, we are seeing interest rates for an FHA loan with prime credit 5.66. Okay, with a conventional loan, perfect credit 720 or more with 20% down 6.12. Okay, so you know that we here at Anchor, we're studying the market. As far as what's the market doing right now, we're still seeing houses sit a little bit longer. Does that mean that the market's crashing? Absolutely not. But we're seeing consumers and buyers be a little bit more selective. They're not rushing and jumping into the market for fear of missing out, which is what we saw in 2021 and 2022. Follow up this video. We're going to do what is it actually costing you to wait. And I know if you've been around our channel for a long time, you know what it takes and what it looks like if a $300,000 house is purchased now. What's that $300,000 house going to be next year? But stay tuned for that video because we want to educate you and make sure that you know that when you call Anchor, you're calling a trusted advisor. To stay up to date with all of the market updates and all of the insider information that we're getting here live in the Georgia real estate market, subscribe and follow to our channel on YouTube. And you can search that by Anchor Real Estate Advisors.